In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix a CIBC credit card being declined. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your credit card balance and available credit limit because sometimes transactions are declined simply because the limit has already been reached or a pending payment has not cleared yet. Next, verify that your card details are correct, including expiry date, CVV, and billing address, since even small mismatches can cause automatic declines during mobile transactions. If everything looks correct, close the app completely and restart your phone to refresh the banking session, as temporary app glitches can sometimes interfere with payment approvals. After that, make sure your app is fully updated. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app. If you see the option update, click on it. Outdated versions may not process transactions properly after system updates. You should also check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, since unstable connections can interrupt secure payment authorization. If the issue still continues, it may be a temporary fraud protection hold, so try waiting a few minutes and then attempt the transaction again, or approve any pending security alerts inside the app if prompted. In some cases, simply logging out and logging back into the app can refresh your card session and fix the client payment errors without needing support. Once these steps are completed, try using your card again, and in most cases, the decline issue should be resolved and payment should go through manually. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.